Power of hyaluronic acid for youthful skin. What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, a substance that retains moisture, and it is capable of binding over 1000 times its weight in water. This substance is naturally found in many areas of the human body, including the skin, eyes, and synovial fluid of the joints. As we age, the production of key substances in the skin, including hyaluronic acid, along with collagen and elastin, decreases. As a result, our skin loses volume, hydration, and plumpiness. Intense hydration. By replenishing and restoring the skin's moisture levels, hyaluronic acid enhances your complexion, leaving it plumper and more supple. Diminished fine lines. The application of hyaluronic acid helps replenish lost moisture, visibly reducing the appearance of aging and fine lines. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by like and share this video to your family and friends. Collagen boost, essential for maintaining skin firmness and elasticity. Collagen synthesis is facilitated by hyaluronic acid, contributing to a youthful complexion. Skin radiance. The transformative effects of hyaluronic acid can revitalize the skin and give a youthful glow. Anti-blemish benefits. Incorporating hyaluronic acid into a skincare regime can also contribute to combating blemishes and promoting clearer skin. There are several natural foods that contain hyaluronic acid. Here are some examples. Bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of hyaluronic acid. Soya-based foods. Foods like soya products can naturally increase the synthesis of hyaluronic acid in the body. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges are known to provide nutrients that may enhance the production of hyaluronic acid. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale contain hyaluronic acid and other beneficial nutrients. Starchy root vegetables. Starchy root vegetables like sweet potatoes are also known to contain hyaluronic acid. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, flax seeds, and chia seeds may contribute to the production of hyaluronic acid. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help support the natural production of hyaluronic acid in your body, promoting skin health and overall well being. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.